Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Chromedriver in Selenium to run tests, so let's get right into it. First of all, let me skip these first few steps. I am, by the way, using a tutorial so that I can show you better, since my PC is having some trouble at this time. However, this should be completely adequate. But yeah, let me skip over the first few steps. The first three steps are basically just downloading instructions, but the fourth step is, as you can see, once you copy the URL that you wish to download, then you want to extract the content of the zip file that you download and then extract it to the root location of the automation project. That is the best option. And then this is for 1.14, we want 115, so this is useless for us. And now how to configure it, this is the part that we're interested in. First you need to extract the executable file and move it to the desired location, and copy that location to set its path in the system environment variables. Then you want to open the environment variable pop-up by searching for environment variables in Windows Search, and then open system properties and then click on the environment variables. Then you want to modify the path to modify which one is this. But yeah, whoops, under system variables, click on the path and then just click the edit button where you want to click on new and add the Chromedriver executable location. Once you do that, you will have the option to just use Chromedriver in the Selenium script, which will automatically detect it, and that should be it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.